Discover Samoa's tropical allure while keeping your wallet happy. Opt for beach fails, traditional huts that offer a genuine Samoan stay, often including meals. Budget hotels and hostels, like the Samoan Outrigger Hotel, provide affordable rooms with communal amenities. For a touch of luxury, book resorts during the off-season or snag package deals for significant savings. Navigate Samoa's islands without splurging by renting a car or embracing public transport. Car rentals can be as low as $53 per day if booked in advance. Public buses offer a cheaper, though less frequent, alternative. For island hopping, consider ferry travel and look for packages that combine car rental and ferry tickets for the best deals. Savor Samoa's flavors economically by staying in beach fails with included meals or using communal kitchens at budget accommodations. Visit local markets for fresh produce and street food, and keep an eye out for resort package deals that include dining experiences. This way, you can indulge in local dishes like oka and palusami without overspending. Samoa's beaches and natural wonders are free to enjoy. Engage in cultural experiences and community tours for an affordable and enriching visit. For a more structured adventure, consider tour operators that offer packages contributing to local projects, providing value beyond the monetary cost. Travel during the dry season for better deals and pack essentials to avoid rental fees. Look out for tourism promotions and discounts before booking to maximize savings. These strategies will allow you to experience Samoa's splendor without financial stress. Samoa's enchanting islands are accessible on a budget with strategic planning. From staying in beach fails to enjoying local cuisine and natural attractions, the essence of Samoa is available to all. Embrace the culture, landscapes, and adventure without compromising on cost. Beach fails are the most budget-friendly accommodations in Samoa. Renting a car or using public buses are economical transportation options. Local markets and cooking your own meals can save on dining costs. Samoa's natural attractions and cultural tours offer free entertainment. The dry season is ideal for budget travelers, and discounts can be found through the Samoa Tourism Authority or by booking package deals in advance. Book with a Samoa specialist at Far and Away Adventures.